Good morning, everyone. This is Hardik Inani, and I'm here to present our operating system project on CPU scheduling. We have an interface here which demonstrates the use of CPU scheduling algorithms. This is our interface. It has 5 tabs, namely CPU scheduling, first come first serve, shortest job first, shortest remaining time first, and round robin algorithm. You can also see a button downwards where you can go and click on the simulate option to go to the algorithm simulation interface. We also have a menu bar algorithms which shows non-preemptive and preemptive algorithms respectively. We also have a help section which contains developers documentation and about section. We can go to developers documentation first. This is our development documentation. When you click on it, it would open. It have namely table of contents, Python introduction, PyQt5 introduction, PyQt5 components, PyQt introduction, major classes using Qt designer, using the GUI simulator, and contact us. We'll go to using the GUI simulator. You'll find the detailed instruction on how to use our GUI simulator on this. It is a step-by-step procedure to make the use of our simulator easy for yourself. Now we'll go back to our About Us section from here. This way you can know our team and the developers who has worked through it, and our faculty member, Dr. Rutvij H Jhaveri. This is our main page. If we try to exit, it will show us a warning sign if you want to exit or not. So first you'll enter arrival time and bus time. If by any means you want to delete your previous process data, then you can delete it. If you want to reset the data, you don't want the data, then you can also reset it. Now we will enter the full data now. As you can see, we have entered pre-data sets. Now we'll click to execute button. It asks for confirmation. You can see table, namely burst time, completion time, turnaround time, waiting time, first response time, and response time. Downwards, you can also see average waiting time, average turnaround time. We have 3 buttons downwards: save result to device, show Gantt chart, email me results. You can click on show Gantt chart. It will show the Gantt chart about first come first serve algorithm accordingly. Now we will go to save result to device. You can also save the result to device in PNG format. Now we will go to email me results. You can email the results to yourself. You have to just enter the ID, your email ID. There will be a confirmation box which will show success if the email has been sent. As you can see, there is an email box in your inbox. This was the demonstration of first come first serve algorithm. As you can see, we have entered a data set in our next simulator, which is shortest job first simulator. Let's try entering negative sign and see what happens. If we add the process, we get invalid output. Then we'll click on execute button, confirmation box, process ID, arrival time, burst time, completion time, turnaround time, waiting time, first response time, and response time tables. You can also see average waiting time, average turnaround time, Aim downwards. There are also 3 buttons: save result to device, show Gantt chart, email me results. We'll click on show Gantt chart. As you can see, it demonstrates shortest job first Gantt chart as well as the table. Again, you can click on save result to device. You can save result to device. Also, you can email me results. Click on email me results. You can enter your email and you'll find your mail. As you can see, we are on our desktop. This is where we have saved our result, save result file. As you can see, this is our save result file. As you can see, we have already entered our data for SRTF simulation. We'll click on execute and execute it. We have process ID, arrival time, burst time, completion time, turnaround time, waiting time, first response time table. Downwards, you can also see average waiting time and average turnaround time. We have 3 buttons: save result to device, show Gantt chart, email me results. We'll go to show Gantt chart. You can see the Gantt chart according to shortest remaining time first algorithm. You can also see save result to device. We'll click on it and save our result to device. You can also see email me results option, where you can enter your email ID and mail yourself results. A success box will appear in few seconds if email is sent to you correctly. This was shortest remaining time first algorithm. As you can see, we have our last algorithm, round robin algorithm. We have instruction manual for round robin algorithm. We click on OK and we reach to round robin simulator. First, we'll enter our arrival time for the first case, which is 0, burst time would be 5, and time quantum would be 4. As we add the process, now you can see the time quantum button has been disabled. Now we will enter the normal data set 1 and 6, arrival time 2, burst time 3, arrival time 3, burst time 1, arrival time 4, burst time 5, arrival time 6, burst time 4. Now we'll add all processes and click on execute. We'll check the confirmation box. Now, as you can see, we have our results, process ID table, arrival time, burst time, completion time, turnaround time, waiting time, first response time, and response time. You can also see average waiting time, average turnaround time downwards. You can also see 3 buttons: save result to device, show Gantt chart, email me results. We'll click on save result to device first. You can click and you can save the results. I'll save it as RR. Now we'll click on show Gantt chart. You can also see round robin Gantt chart. This is our round robin Gantt chart. Now we'll click on email me results. I'll enter my email ID. I'll click on OK. A success dialog box will appear, which will show us that email has been successfully sent. Thank you, everyone. Please like the video if you liked our project. And we have mentioned our email IDs in the description. So if you have any queries regarding our project, you can contact us there. Thank you, everyone.